What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. I'm at Ashton's house. Another video. I got Ashton here. Ashton, get up. And I got Ashton's little brother, Christian. And today we're doing a little thing on our number 4 called Cooking with Colten. I made some nice foods. First, we got tortilla chips and salsa, like a sandwich. Second, we got salsa and pretzels, like a sandwich. Then we got strawberries and chili cheese Fritos. Then we got it's an ice cream sandwich at the bottom, and then 2 strawberries. It's an ice cream sandwich. And last but not least, we got like these little like chocolate ball things and pretzels. All right, Ashley, come on! I showed him everything. It's like a little cooking with Colten. I already made it though, so we're gonna try all of them. So I made 3. Okay, come on. Hey guys! Let's go! Come on! We need to hurry up.
Hey, we need an orange juice.
No, get the orange out of here. You're gonna ruin my food. All right, let's go. I'm trying it first.
The next round is mine.
All right, so I'm trying this.
Me too. Next up, me. Next up, me. Me next up.
Alright. Now for him.
Let's go make it spicy.
Hurry up.
I'm taking one little bite.
You have to eat the whole thing. Alright, Ashton, your turn. Hurry up.
What?
Come on. We're making a video.
I'm not trying anything, dog.
You're not? Alright. I'll try it again. Alright.
I'm still eating.
Second, we have salsa and pretzels. Good. Oh, you already ate yours. Next, Fritos and strawberries. Wow. Oh, weird. Here, you can have that one.
Oh,
messed up.
That's disgusting.
Yeah. He's eating it though. He's lit. Alright, next one we have ice cream sandwiches and strawberries. I get one of them. Oh, sorry.
This is all melted.
Alright, boom.
We'll be right back.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause real quick to get everything set because I forgot some things. So I'll see you in a second. Alright, we're back.
Next step.
Our last one we have.
Our last one we have.
Chocolate balls and pretzels.
Yeah, shut the balls and pretzels. It's poopy. I'm not eating all of that. Just eating the pretzels.
Alright. That was it for Cooking with Colten. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, turn on notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Yep.
Peace.